This meeting is being transcribed and summarized.
What's good, everyone? All right. Yeah. How's everyone doing? Let's go over to NQ here and mark NQ. Okay. All right, so looking at this weekly candle here, because this thing is still bearish. We got a weekly candle low, and this is going to be the weekly candle high, and previous weekly candle high. Take a look at what we're looking at on the daily. Okay. Daily resistance. Previous weekly candle low. I mean daily candle low, like we took that out. Closed below on the 4-hour, rejecting this 4-hour demand. Delete that weekly candle, previous daily candle low. You look at this on a 1-hour time frame, and I'm actually going to delete that. Mark up this 1-hour demand here. You can actually add this demand as well. 1-hour demand. Okay, this music is too loud. Okay, this is better. All right, take a look at the 30-minute here. Mark this 1-hour resistance. See how if we're going to close above here, we should. Um, 30 minutes, got this 30-minute demand here. We're gonna look for buys on NQ. 15 minutes, okay. All right, looking for buys on NQ, and looking for buys on gold futures. Hey Alex, how you doing? How long am I going to trade? Am I just going to trade NQ? No, I'm trading GC and NQ. Gonna be here for 2 hours, about 2 hours, 30 minutes or less. Depends on when we get it set up. Hi Lucy, how you doing? How you doing, Matt? I stay in the US. What kind of setup do I wait for? As you can see, I trade supply and demand. And if you don't understand or know what supply and demand is, no, just keep watching. The easy definition about supply and demand is you pretty much buy low, you sell high. I hope that makes sense. You buy low, you sell high, and at the same time, you just don't want to buy low anywhere and sell high anywhere. You still also have to understand market structure, you have to understand momentum. For example, if we look at the daily time frame here, ask yourself, is the daily time frame bullish overall or we bearish overall? And your answer should be bullish. All you have to do, for example, is to point your trend line at this swing low here. And as you can see, we've not broken this yet. And if you don't even have to use the trend line. You can use support and resistance as well by understanding your major and your minor zones. For example, here on the daily time frame, in this range over here, let me delete that. You have your major low here, and you have your major high at 32.01. right? This is your first daily range right here. This low over here is a minor high. I mean, it's a minor low. And you have your major low here. Major low was taken out and we're pretty much trading above it right now. We still have not closed below the major low of this range. So therefore, the daily time frame is still bullish overall. Now, going back to the 15-minute time frame, for example, this is where, as a day trader, you have to understand structure and momentum. Now, here on the daily time frame, the structure is still bearish because in order for us to be bullish overall on the lower time frame, we need to take out 3201, which we're still trading below it, which is fine. Now here, what are we doing right now? Are we breaking lows or are we breaking highs? That is where your momentum comes in. And as you can see, we're currently breaking highs. Minor highs taken out, and our first range, we finally taken out the major high of our first range of the 15-minute time frame that has been taken out. So therefore, we have a bullish momentum. Looking to the left, where's your next major high of the next range, which is going to be here, and we're not there yet. Even though we're still bearish here on the lower time frame, however, we now have a bullish momentum because we've taken out a major high of our first range. So therefore, we can take sell if we want to, but is it smart to do that? No, it's not, because price could just come down, create a support, and then continue to the upside. And then we now get to this high. Here, price will either grab liquidity above it or reject it, and then we can now see the fall, come back to this demand, and we start to go back up. So that is what you need to do. So right now we have a bullish momentum, and that also corresponds with the higher time frame overall structure. So therefore, I am waiting for buys on GC right now. If I trade the 1 minute or the tick chart, for those of you that trade futures, you should know what the tick chart is. I might risk a sell here because there's a chance we could come down and of course fill this gap to the left and then reject and continue to the upside. Excuse my drawing. Just catch a few pips and be done, but I don't trade like that. For me, the way I trade, taking a sell right now is risky. For someone else, like I said, maybe you trade on the 1 minute or the tick chart, then this sell could be good for you. Or maybe that's how you trade. I don't trade like that, so I'm here waiting for buys. No worries, Hugo. No worries, and you're welcome. Hey, Tony, how you doing? We do have a demand here. Now, there is a chance we could tap this 15-minute demand and reject, and price pushes up. Is that a good idea to buy from up here? No, it's not, because when it comes to supply and demand, you want to try and buy at the cheapest price possible. And this demand here is just too close to the highs. Now, I'm not saying gold cannot tap this demand and pushes up, because at the end of the day, we don't control this market. It's out of our control. But based on my experience, taking setups like this, you're gonna lose more than you win, and you don't want that. So gonna wait until it comes down to this demand, and if it does not, if it keeps going up, then I'll look for a possible short once we get to this weekly this weekly candle high, because it's also a previous major high of our previous range. So if we get some rejection there, if there's a sell setup, I will take it. If not, we just keep waiting. For now, I'm expecting gold to at least come back to this 1 hour demand and we get some reaction there. And NQ, I am anticipating buys on NQ. So why am I anticipating buys on NQ? Well, NQ, we bearish actually on all time frames. However, here on the lower time frame, we pretty much rejected this 4 hour demand, which we've rejected twice previously. And then price came all the way down. We tapped it. I'm using the 1 hour demand now, but we actually tapped it, rejected off of the 4 hour demand. So we rejected it. And now we pushed up and broke our first range. What I mean by range is that we broke above the high that created this low. So this low has eventually broke and closed above the high that created it. So we have a minor breakup structure here. So I'm expecting to see some type of pullback and then a continuation. So we could potentially get all the way back up here, or we could actually just reject this supply here, and then now we'll have the bearish move again, or NQ could just keep going up. So for now, I am looking for buys. Closed above it on the 1 hour as well. Good is insane. Hey Ryan, how you doing? How you doing, Francisco? Did I take NASDAQ? No. Not taking anything just yet. Mm. Good morning, Pi. And this is actually not looking bad for quick sales right now. How volatile is gold right now? How many pips is this candle? Still volatile, but not bad. You would like to short around 30.50 on FX for Uber? For Uber? Right, stop loss. Man, if it can start breaking below this candle, then it should come down.
$30.50 is basically the top of the wick.
Oh, on FX?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I mean, I don't know if it goes back up there. I don't think it's gonna fall. If it should go get up there.
Yeah, that's a bit dicey.
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna fall if it gets up there to the top of this week. Yeah, if anything, I would expect you to continue up.
Man, I knew it. I knew it.
Well,
Edwin was talking about US 500. I just took a look at Gideon's stream. He's got US 500 opened. He's got gold in US 500.
oh, okay.
Edwin, you just tell me you're watching Gideon without telling me you're watching Gideon.
I guess Gideon likes ES 500 better. I helped on his stream earlier. He was only looking at gold.
Yeah, he's got gold on his screen, but you can see the two tabs open.
Oh, I see it now.
Yeah.
Good morning, Perpetual. Hey, Zay, how you doing? Did you take shots already, Pi?
It's probably taking right now as we speak.
Waiting if the data tells you. Okay. Yeah, if it should get to the top of this week, man, I don't know, man. I don't think it's gonna fall. It's just like during NY yesterday when we took the sell. Once we rejected this resistance here, and then It took the cells around here, then it went back up to retest. You can see it didn't even get to the top of the wick. If it did that, then it should have freaking continued. We'll see. You might be right.
I mean, if he catches it right at the top, he might at least capture something.
Huh? That's if it doesn't spike through. So I have been thinking of using, you know how Top Steps, pretty much how they stream their stuff on YouTube.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I've been thinking of doing the same thing.
Okay. Yeah.
But
oh, yeah, because you trade futures, right? So you're gonna have the fucking futures chart up anyway.
yeah, so, but I'm gonna need at least 3 or 4 of you to be like, okay, yeah, I'll get on camera. Because it's just gonna be me then, and I'll keep using OBS.
Bye, go on camera for
Hmm?
Bye, go on camera.
Oh, not you.
Why me, man?
I already have people I want. You, Pi. Man, I don't know if Kid a bit to be willing to.
Oh, I'd have to use my old laptop.
That is fine. It's got a camera.
Yeah.
Everyone can, share the screen as well. Like you, when you're looking at the tick chart, you're able to share your screen.
Yeah.
Hey, Rodrigo, how you doing? I'm good, thanks, Rodrigo. The scrolly text that Top Step has, I don't know where to get that from, so that would be missing. But I actually like it, it's dope. I wish I know how they got it.
I'm assuming it's basic feature to easily do, because you see it on like every news channel for the past 1,000 years.
Yeah, but how did they get it though?
Yeah, that would have been horrible if I shorted that. By 20 pips, but no.
Oh, you would have given you 20?
It would have given me 20, yeah, but...
If you get the perfect entry.
Hey, Ryan.
They always are.
Let's start live with a prayer and end it with a prayer. What do I think? Okay, all right, Ryan, start. Unfortunately, we can't hear you. Pray for all of us.
Okay, what are we?
How do you join my live? You made New York session live? Oh, okay. The link for that is in the description. Take it off. No, it's there.
I am in a small cell. I'm just going to see how it plays out. Just to call it out.
Oh, okay. FX or futures?
FX.
Let me see the delta. Are you sure?
Yeah, it's not. The only reason why I think this is a good 30 pip, 20 pip trade, because we had all that positive delta coming into the high. We stopped moving.
Positive. All I see is negative delta, but it's not coming. It's not coming down.
Now negative, following the positive, the heavy positive move up. So, but yeah, you're right. It's getting a little bit too negative.
We'll see.
The fact that it's getting very negative but not moving, it's a bit worrying. Let's see.
But heavy sellers came in at this candle though. This candle. So they might still be there waiting.
Yeah, that's it. I'm just going to see if they can. Ah, there we go. Go. 20, give me 20. Okay, I'm going to secure 10 and then just go break even. Go, 20, yes, 20. Right, I'm out, done. Bye, guys.
Wait, that was 20?
Yeah.
Don't try this at home, guys. Don't try this at home.
30, 50. Oh, no.
Oh, wow. Okay, yeah, these candles are pretty big. What the hell?
Yeah, they're moving really, really big.
Yeah, they were more last night. Man, that NYSL was man, that was freaking crazy.
Did you guys hold it like for the full move?
Man, I was not even watching that trade majority of the time.
I left the runner to go.
Oh, nice.
Oh, you did?
Woke up, closed at plus 300 in like 3 pips or something like that.
Oh, nice. Yeah, my GP was at 120, so it got that, and that was it for me.
I did not expect actually to come back up and break these highs that it made from New York. It's like,
Yeah, I actually thought it was gonna continue down. Actually, break this low.
Yeah.
Actually,
Drops 50 fucking pips.
and anyone trying to catch a sale from this supply, just freaking clap them.
Yeah, that's brutal.
Wait, did you take a trade during Asian session, Edwin?
Did Gideon take a trade, Edwin?
Yeah. That's an Edwin trade for sure. I guarantee you, like Edwin took that sell.
You got a sell limit on 31.10 to 12. I guess you're talking about future. I mean forex. I don't look at it. I don't look at the forex chart anymore, guys. Since I don't trade it anymore, so I don't even look at it.
Oh man, I took an absolute mega buy from the bottom last night.
Oh yeah, I see that. Yeah, that was nice.
I'm confused. Where did you buy it? Like that thing just tanked. Like where'd you buy it?
I got it. I grabbed it. I'll give you the price.
You sent it on school.
Yeah, 2980, 2981.
I think. Where is it?
Oh,
Right here.
Oh, that was a brilliant buy. Well done.
Yeah, 81.40, right?
That's it. Yeah, that's the one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the one.
Did you take it on 1 minute?
No, well, I used the 5-minute chart with footprint, but I put it on a 1 minute just to manage it. See where it go. Because I didn't like that rejection, so I closed it there.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that was a huge rejection at the top.
good trade, good trade.
Yeah, that was good.
Thank you, man. Oh, this is gonna keep coming down, motherfucker.
I mean, if it is struggling there, then because it's not breaking above this high, it should come down. And you have this supply here, this 15-minute. So if it breaks this low, it should come down.
I saw Lucian. He took the buys during, I think it was like London again, and caught a win.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
Oh, Lucian caught a buy too?
Yeah, yesterday London, he took it again.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm like, oh, jeez, nice.
Gold flip. What do you mean?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah, the way this candle closed, it should come down, but I'm not taking it. It's a very clean 1 hour demand here. and it's pretty much broken above 3 highs here. Minor, minor, major of this range. So it's high time it gives a decent pullback before we continue. Am I not trading NAS? I'm looking at it. I'm waiting for the buys. I'm waiting for the buys. Yeah, if NQ gives a setup, yeah, I'll take it. London is gonna sell. Nah, we'll get a pullback and then bullish continuation. Mm. Try and dim this light. It's kind of bright. Be right back. Oh. No, that's not good light. Nah.
Can you?
Oh, King, someone in Discord was asking for the link to the trading journal on YouTube.
Oh, I'm gonna have to join school to get it or get their own journal.
Oh, okay. Okay, cool. I think they just wanted to see the trades that were taken, but don't worry. I'll tell him. I'll sort him out.
Tell him to ask Google.
Yes. Tell him. I will tell him.
Oh, Dottie, you called me?
Yeah. I was saying. Remember what we were saying? Remember what we were saying yesterday about Take Profit Trader?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they emailed me and they said I've got this admin fee to pay.
Admin fee?
Admin?
Yeah, $130.
Admin?
Yeah, I
Wait,
know.
what code did you use?
So when I bought it, I used I used a code that was no fee 30, I think.
Yeah, that's the one.
Yeah, so that's the one where you paid like the 50K at like $120, isn't it? Yeah.
Uh-huh.
That's what I paid, yeah. And then so I passed it yesterday, and yeah, they're saying an admin fee of $130, which is weird because where does that come from? You know.
Oh wow.
I'd heard about that, and I thought
I haven't passed mine, but I mean, so what is the no activation fee then?
that's just they literally just bought. Oh, I think it feels like they've just bought another cost from nowhere because like Top Step, you pay. Once you pass it, yeah, you pay an activation fee, don't you? That's it.
Yeah.
And that's it. And now they're saying so the no fee thing, that's supposed to be your activation fee sorted, which is what we expected, and I should be going straight into live, but they're asking for an admin fee now. It's crazy, you know?
Huh.
Yeah, that's annoying because I don't think anybody is expecting that at all.
I mean, if you use that code no fee 30, that's the right one
That's
to
it.
get
Yeah, it's not. It's just an extra cost, isn't it? That's weird.
Hold on, let me see.
I'll show you an email. I'll show you the email. Just fine.
Definitely need to figure that out because that's not on.
That's not on at all.
Yeah,
Just a
because
bit.
that's not what their thing says.
Not at all. There you go, guys. Hold on.
That'd be so dirty.
Let me see.
Like,
Yeah, it is.
that is so dirty.
It's a curveball, isn't it?
That is
I
naughty.
mean, because if it accepted that code, then that means they were still running that promo. So
Yeah.
they should have honored it.
Copy this in.
Let's see.
I can't copy the message and hang on else. Sorry. Do something else.
about to go on their website to see. Because once you go on their website, it would let you know if they still running that promo.
I'll send it. I'll send it on the Discord because it's not allowing me to copy it into this.
Into
the chat.
school, you can't send it to school.
I can't send it here. Where do I send it?
You can send it to school.
You mean into this, the chat of this live now? Into school? Oh, hang on. You mean on the Discord? Yeah. Of course. Okay.
No, send it to school.
To school? How do I send that?
You can send it to the
Wait.
general discussion once you get on school.
Let's see. You know what? I don't even open it up. That's the can. Oh, hang on. Oh, I think I know. Yeah, I see. I got it. I think I got it. Just type it here and paste. So, yeah, post. Post is a title. TBTT. You must select a category.
Oh, Abe, did you post the link to the new trade journal in school?
Oh, no. Yeah, I need to do that. I'm going to do that now. I'm trying to read this about this new activation fee to see what maybe something happened.
Can you see it when I posted? Or will it not?
So this is the thing here. I'm reading about it now. Still don't see.
Yeah, I didn't see that anywhere at all. So,
when you move to Pro,
Did they actually ask you for the payment already, or is it just that email?
well, the email says, hang on a minute, let me just go into it. The email says, it says, congratulations on reaching the profit target. Our program, our team will check your account. Okay, then you'll be prompted to make a one-time administrative payment of $130 for a pro account. You will receive a contract.
Yeah, it must have been a mistake. Send them a reply to that email, because
I'm like wondering maybe that email's like an old email,
like a general one. Yeah, that's the point actually. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, but
reply
it's
to
saying
that
you will
email.
receive a contract sign which this does not apply if you have signed the latest contract. The monthly billing. Okay, I understand what you're saying. All right, let me reply to this.
Oh, I see the email on school that they sent you. Yeah, send them an email. It might be an old one.
Yeah, like a general one.
Yeah.
Well, that's bad of them. They need to change that email. I must say though, somebody else I listened to on YouTube had mentioned that, but 2 months ago, and I'm thinking that must be an old thing prior to the offer. So.
Yeah, because I think this offer they just started running it. I don't think it's been 2 months yet.
Makes sense.
And if they are trying to charge you an extra, $130, then that's some nonsense. Don't go with them.
That's not right, is it?
Put in the email, you actually use that code, no fee 30.
Exactly.
And it's good. It should be like, if you want to get another account now, it should be you should get 30% off even.
Exactly.
What's the price she paid for the challenge? Should have been 100 each if she paid more than the code didn't apply. No, if you apply the code, then 50K account will be like pretty much 120.
Yeah, it was 120. I think it's although it does also say, hang on, it does also say, okay, then there's the next email. It says, congratulations, where they've checked my account, yeah. It says you will be required to make a one-time admin payment of 130 and sign a pro contract along with it. I think it's an old email. I think it's a general one that they.
Yeah, it has to be an old one.
Because if I go into my, yeah, no, that's weird. Let me just email them anyway, and then. Let's see.
Yeah, Chris, that's what we think. We're thinking it's an old email.
Yes.
They have a pretty cool support. Yeah, I heard that too. You funded with them, Chris? Oh, nice, nice. I wish they had a Discord or even Telegram channel.
Yeah, that's the pain, isn't it?
Yeah.
So even just go and voice your concerns. It does help wherever you've got a Discord or a Telegram, but mainly a Discord. You can really get clarity on stuff. So.
Yeah, maybe they're trying to avoid, all these scammers trying to scam other members. Or a red flag. Take profit is actually good. Based on what I've heard so far.
Yeah, I mean, but the fact that if it's wrong, and the fact that they would let this email go out, that's like, come on, guys.
They've been around longer than Axe. Oh yeah, that's true. They do have a chat on their website. Oh yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Oh, you can. Yeah, just have a chat with them on their website then.
True. Just go live.
Oh yeah, that's true.
It's true. Hang on, where am I? I've got so many screens open, I don't even know where I am.
I didn't even think about that. You can get a fast response.
Of course you can. But you know what? When I tried to get onto them before, they do take long to arrive. Let's have a look. Do you know what? Let me send the email. I'll get a quicker response because sometimes you get someone on the support, they don't know what they're talking about. Yeah. Let me just send it anyway.
Damn, NQ wants to go up. Damn it.
Yeah. I was like looking to short it, and then I was like, wait a second, what's going on? It went straight back in the range. I don't think it's fucking coming down.
Oh. Come on, Nas. What are you doing?
Also, avoid Apex and MFFU. I think it's either MFF or MFFU.
MFFU would be my
funded futures.
Oh,
yeah, my funded futures.
Oh, yeah, they're shady.
Yeah, so Apex, they lost their court case against the YouTuber because it was total bullshit. They threw it out. And MFFU, someone complained that, it's like their payout is like slower than usual, and the CEO banned him. Oh. And then someone made a video about it, and they banned that guy.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
Wow.
So that's super dodgy. It's like, you shut the fuck up. You don't tell anyone about anything,
Have I lost you guys?
Yeah, because they open in New York. Yeah, that makes sense.
Wow, where you gone?
Huh?
Wow's just disappeared.
No,
It's
I'm here.
internet fucked up.
That was funny. It's like, Wow was giving some information and then zap.
Oh, it was basically like,
So they
if anyone
banned this on the.
speaks out on,
Yeah.
what they're doing, he'll just be like, "Fuck you, I'm banning you. You shut up."
So, what was the verdict about Apex?
Oh, against the YouTuber, it was just like they just threw it out. It was all nonsense. And then the one against them stealing the guy's technology, I think it's still ongoing.
Oh. MFF CEO banding. You know, with all these platforms, it's just get what you can and get your own capital.
Yeah. That's just so crazy. Like this guy just banning people because they speak the truth. It's like, man, that's crazy.
That's wicked.
And then a
Don't
dude
open your
makes a
mouth.
video. And then
Yeah.
ban the video maker. Oh my god.
And all these, some Forex prop firms now, they're trying to get into futures. I just hope they know what they're getting themselves into.
This industry would be so much better if they just had one regulator.
What do you mean?
There should be like the FCS, or there should be a regulator of prop firms. So you can't even you can't set up a prop firm unless you can demonstrate capital in the bank. You've got a business model. You've got employee. You should have to pass like a compliance test to set up a prop firm. I think just have some proper regulation.
Yeah, one thing I've learned with these futures prop firm is that if they do not have access to at least Tradeovate, I'm not going with that prop firm. That's shady. Need to have access to at least one of the legit futures brokers.
Tradeovate is very quickly becoming my favorite platform. Man, it's crazy. I like I was looking at Sierra charts, right, and they'll charge you at least $100 a month just for the data you can get from Tradeovate for $5, and you pretty much have to build it yourself.
Yeah, I think it was like
Project X is also not giving the access to everyone. So this is my question in regards to Project X. Is Project X a futures broker, or
No.
they just a developer team?
I think it's like just something they work alongside of what is it, TradingView.
You work alongside TradingView?
I don't know if they work for TradingView or they just like borrow their technology and then utilize it.
Oh, so it's a technology provider for futures funding, evaluators, and prop firms. But okay, so this is my thing though, because their data is coming from CME, COMEX, and all that. So they must have some type of regulation on their side if they have access to that.
I doubt it. Like nothing great, because like you can get futures data just by paying the data fee.
Oh, that makes sense. That makes sense. That makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense. Because there have been times where they will have issues and everything will be good on Tradeovate. No issues with Tradeovate.
Yeah.
And when there's issues with Tradeovate, Project X is actually good, no issues. Yeah, so that makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense. What
The only
platform
thing-
do you feel is like better than Top Step? None. When it comes to features, none. Now, this is just my own opinion, but I will always pick Top Step as number one. Every other features platform comes second. Top Step started it all when it comes to features. What were you gonna say, Well?
I was just gonna say the only thing that I don't like about Project X is the data is not instantaneous. It's like Trade of 8, it's instant. Like every single price transaction, it shows instantly. But with Project X and TradingView, it's like every 1 second it updates, you know?
Yeah, it's like there's some type of delay in the execution. It's just like, connecting your TradingView to TradingView so you can trade on TradingView.
Yeah.
There's a slight delay in the execution.
So they need to fix that. It needs to be instantaneous. Like if you turn on MetaTrader, the candle's constantly moving. It never just 1 second and then updates, 1 second and updates.
Project X is not giving access to everyone. Yeah, that makes sense. They also have to do their own due diligence. They have to protect their company.
Okay, guys. So I sent the email off, but obviously, which they get to. But then I went into this, that chat box on the website, and it says the one-time activation fee for it's not. They've sent it to me in error clearly.
Oh, they said it's an error.
No, but they haven't said that yet. But it says here the one-time activation fee for a Take Profit Trader Pro account is typically $130. However, during the no fee 30 promotion, this fee is waived, and there are no ongoing monthly fees once.
So this is waived for
yeah.
life. Should be waived.
Yeah, it's waived for life. So I can just go ahead and sign the contract. I'm sure it can't be asking me. Thank God. That upset me. That
yeah, the profit is not bad.
Yeah, they're good people. So that's good. Yeah, I think they need to correct that email though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can't be the first person to point that out.
Who knows? Maybe you're the first one.
Cannot be. No way. Jeez.
Man, this thing fell 90 pips.
I jumped into a sell on this, so let's see.
That's crazy because it's still within the range. So that range is substantial.
Absolutely crazy.
And Q can still pull back now.
Might get a little move up again.
You want to try TPT for the daily drawdown? Will it keep daily drawdown? Will kill your trades. Well, all futures platform they all have daily drawdowns. All platform has daily drawdowns. You just have to make sure you don't go above your daily drawdown.
I think what he's saying is, why does it even have drawdown? I don't even want drawdown.
Even if you're trading your own capital, you should have a limit. You should have a limit for yourself, a daily drawdown limit for yourself. is obviously gonna be more than prop firms because hey, you're trading your own money. So, but you're still gonna have a daily drawdown. At least you should have one. Why did I stop trading BTC USD? Actually, I don't know. I just stopped. I just stopped. I stopped and I focused on currencies instead.
Let's go back to German 40. Yeah.
Good thing no more forex. Oh, it means the trailing drawdown. Oh.
Wait, Take Profit has trailing drawdown?
Huh?
Take Profit Trader has trailing drawdown?
Yeah, they do.
Daily
Oh.
drawdown
Yeah.
and trailing.
Shit,
I know.
that's the worst.
I've never
to be
been able to work it out. Never.
It's not hard though.
It's like
That's
when
the
you
worst.
make profit, you literally just got to watch it, haven't you? From the moment you're in profit, that you don't go to like 2,000 below that. And the higher your profit, your trading drawdown moves up, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Imagine you got a 1-to-1 target. It goes 95% of the way there and comes and stops you out.
Yeah.
You just doubled your loss.
Yeah.
According to them.
Jesus.
It's not easy. I'm going to have the strictest rules. So on the account, look, I clicked go to pro, and it's still asking me for money.
But with what do you call it? With Take Profit though, the cool thing is that it's only for evaluations. I'm not funded with them yet, so I don't think they have it though for pro.
Oh, okay.
Oh, Chris said it's only for evaluation or test. So he said no. So yeah, only for evaluations.
Oh, he said for evaluation and test, it's end of day drawdown. For pro, it's trailing. That's terrible. What the fuck?
Oh, wait a minute. You get it trailing on the pro? Oh.
It would be better the other way around.
Oh, damn. Oh,
His end
snap.
of day is good.
So, guys, when I tried to go forward to get the contract, excuse me, it still asks me for the money. So they have to redo something completely because I can't. Or it's a fee we've got to pay. I've got to pay. That's strange.
Wait, they responded?
No. What I said to you was from the chat, yeah, when I asked the AI bot, and that's what he told me, that the fee is waived. So when I go into my dashboard and I click on the go to pro, is what you've got to do.
Mm-hmm.
From there, normally you would sign your contract, but it says the first thing it asks me to do is pay $130.
Oh, let them respond to you first.
Yeah,
then. Let them fix it.
Yeah.
Have I heard about Top 1 futures? Yeah, I just heard recently. Yeah, they have instant funding accounts. Yep. Do they still have the Forex prop firm though? Or they closed the Forex prop firm and started the futures prop firm? this sell, this sell.
No, I don't. And closed at 20 pips.
I jumped in. A minute. And I can tell you, I was literally a mess all morning. I was like, is it going up? Is it going down? Is it going up? Is it going down?
Oh, they still have the Forex Pro Firm too? Oh, no. The Forex side is still operating. Okay. It's just like Alpha Capital.
Best prop firm ever. Best.
I don't know about that one.
Man, I need my discount code. I can't believe that shit.
Nas does not want to pull back.
Unbelievable. Oh. I tried to sell Nas twice, break even twice.
Do you find the tick chart is as effective in London? It's just this volume a bit of an issue.
I find it less effective, like even the order flow I find less effective in London.
Yeah.
I find it very effective during New York. Probably because of Chop, right? You know, Chop kind of ruins it.
Ruining my life right now.
Oh, shit.
But obviously, I did see like 20 plus pips on one of the trades I took, but obviously I was going for the gap fill, but no dice. And you can see gold, same thing. Like people are probably trying to sell it for that, you know, gap fill, but gold's like, nah, not happening, bro.
I want to see.
If it,
Sorry, what?
no, if it like breaks and closes above, it's gonna fucking fly because all those people that tried to sell it, they're gonna get fucking wiped.
Oh man, Dodie doesn't like the sound of that.
No, he doesn't like that.
Oh my god, say nicely, Wall. I mean, I want the retracement, to be honest. So I guess a little.
Because look what happened that Asian session. Sideways, right?
Oh,
And
yeah.
like massive move higher.
Yeah.
And then again, sideways,
Yeah.
massive move higher.
And
It's
look,
doing it again.
It actually wicked the lows too. Wicked the lows. So if you had your entry below it, freaking triggered you, and then bam, stopped you out.
I mean, I could jump out now for 10 pips. It just keeps going back and forth, 10 pips, 20 pips.
But in my head, I think to myself, logically, it has to come back down. Look at how much it's moved. Like sideways, up, sideways, up, sideways. There's no way it can go up again.
Yep, it should come. It should come down. It's due for a pullback, but it's still gonna do that though.
But hey, I'm a retail trader. Like, if I'm thinking that, gold's probably like, fuck you, time to rip higher.
Oh, shit.
The fact that it keeps rejecting the highs like this, promise you, retail traders are looking to short this.
Yep.
Exactly. So.
Which is what I don't like.
Yep. Even though I'm a retail trader myself, I want to follow the big players.
Yeah. If Edwin's telling me he's looking for a buy, I'm looking for a sell. If Edwin's in the buy, I'm full margin in the sell.
We have to be master students and be humble, I know, right? We're always gonna be a student of the game. So master students, that's actually a good sentence. You can never be a master of what you don't control. Barcelona or Real Madrid? Be honest. Huh. Well, man, that's a tough one. When I used to watch football, I actually wasn't a fan of either of those teams, but if I'm to choose, I'll pick Real Madrid.
Your name is not Kylian Mbappe.
Oh wait, that's his name?
That is not Kylian.
Oh damn, that's his name.
That is not Mbappe in the chat right now.
Nah, it can't be.
Gillian, yeah.
Oh
That's a
man.
common name in France.
That's not Mbappe. Wait, does Mbappe understand English?
Yeah, a bit, I guess.
He does?
I mean, I think more than a bit, yeah. I mean, his mother is, she Algerian or something? I guess he just, can get by with both languages.
Hmm.
His mother,
His dad is from Cameroon. I don't know where his mother
Yeah.
is from, though.
she's from Algeria or Morocco.
Oh, okay.
It's mixed heritage.
Man, Cameroon, they should have snatched Mbappe. Like, no, we want you. Come and play for our country. They missed out on their chance now.
And they just,
Yeah, I didn't. I thought he played for France. Is he from that famous French town, Quebec?
Yep.
In Paris.
And this, based on the story I heard his dad actually went to the Cameroon Football Federation
yes.
to talk to them. I want my boy to play for, his
Yeah,
dad's country. And if we can turn him down. And look at Mbappe now.
Shocking, huh?
I know they're regretting their decision now.
Crazy.
You said Mbappe said, yeah, sure I can. Look me writing skills.
Mbappe over here looking for signals.
Mbappe, you know what? DM me. Let's talk. DM me on IG. Let's talk.
I guess that person couldn't find another name, or
Die-hard fan.
Mbappe, are you profitable?
Man, you know Top Step has like a Olympic skier
What?
that trades
Yeah.
with them?
Oh, really?
really?
Yeah. Like
Oh.
he like recently won the medal.
Oh,
Wow.
wow. Oh, wow.
It's like they advertise him like every now and then because, you know, obviously he's a pro athlete. And then it's like apparently the dude just like won the skiing thing.
Oh.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh. Why is he with Top Step? He has the capital to trade.
Yeah, that is weird. Maybe he's just doing it for fun on the side, you know?
Yeah, definitely.
Can you really do
I mean,
trading
you
for
probably don't have
fun?
much time. I mean, you probably don't have much time to do other shit if you're, you know, in the Olympics.
Yeah, but then can you trade for fun though? Because this shit is now fun.
I don't know. I find it fun sometimes.
I have fun.
I mean, like, if you know, we're trading together, so it's fun. But
Yeah,
if you're
yeah.
doing it on your own, it's not fun.
That's true. Yeah, that's true. Maybe he just does it for company.
Maybe.
I don't know. You have to ask Edwin. I mean, the dude's trading Bitcoin by himself on the weekend. I don't know.
Dude's got so much company, man. He's got us, Gideon. I think there's probably a couple of others we don't know about.
Yep. Man, he's probably like got like 3 different like groups going at the same time.
Yes, yeah.
Drop it in the comments. Well, it should be in the description, or just search my YouTube name on IG. That's my IG. It's the same YouTube name. Man, look at that. What we were just talking about.
Yeah.
It's amazing how quickly we've gone from 29, 68, 69 to 30, 52. Like in, what's that? Is that even a day? It's not even a day. In like 12 hours. That's
Yeah, it's kind of crazy.
Yeah.
Absolutely mental.
But you think how long it took us to break 3,000, how long it took us to break 2,000. It's unbelievable.
Man, the tariff thing, like, holy shit. Everything's moving fast as hell.
Yeah.
Yeah, great job, Trump.
Yep. I mean, NASDAQ that day with the fake news bullshit where it went 1,400 pips, that's absurd. That was apparently from top to bottom, that's 10%. That's fucking absurd.
Yeah, if I could swing NQ on my futures, man, I would try a swing. I would just keep trying to swing the lows.
Yeah.
But man. Man, if you're able to catch the low on NQ, shit.
Never let go.
Man.
All right, Rose.
Just hold that thing for the whole year. Fact that we trading at 17,000 now, shish. And we was at where? We was at the 22s. Man. Just know eventually we're gonna get back up there.
Just feels like just catching like 20 pips isn't even enough at the moment.
Yeah, because
It's
it's so volatile. 20 pips
Yeah.
is not enough. You could hold it for months, yeah, no, right, Chris? But NQ with futures, I can't do that. Not with what I have in my account, it's too risky. And I don't want to swing a shot. I will be interested in swinging longs.
yeah.
I'd love it.
I
I'd love it if anyone.
I don't ever want to swing shot on NQ or YM. Shit, any equities, I don't want to swing a shot. I'll swing longs.
Yeah.
It is kind of looking like we might not get a trade on gold today. NQ, maybe not. I'm gonna have to wait and see how this 1 hour candle is going to close. Since we've pretty much created a minor support here, now if we can get a resistance here on the 1 hour, let's say if this current 1 hour candle close bearish and it's actually a strong candle, then we could anticipate a possible pullback back to this resistance. So depending on how the 1 hour candle closes, expect another rejection here at the 1 hour resistance, and that actually should take us back to the lows. At that point, this demand is not going to hold. We should come down even all the way down to this 1 hour demand, and then we can start pushing back up again, because we actually still bearish here. So I want to wait and see how the 1 hour candle is going to close. Because now looking at the 5, we pretty much failed to break it now. We just need more confirmation, and the 1 hour is going to give it to us. Damn, good is just playing games around here.
Man.
You're welcome, Chris. All right.
How many trades have you taken, Pi?
No, I only took that one. Now what I want to see.
Come on, be honest, man. How many?
No, but we have
5?
one. No, just one. Just that one.
I've taken loads today. Slapped in the face every time.
The only way I'll short this again is if it gets back up to that 30 3068 level on futures, 3868.6, with really positive, really aggressive buying, and then I'll short it. Because I feel like I already got my perfect entry and I closed at 20 pips.
Perfect. The perfect entry with the perfect failed exit.
I know. Worst exit ever.
Don't worry, the exit's the hardest.
Yeah, the entry is even worse sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes, yeah.
Wait,
I
what?
feel like
Wait.
with the way, if you trade like with the order flow or the tick chart or whatever, it's like the entry is easy because, well, not easy, but it's easier because you're so dialed in to get the entry.
Yes, yeah.
But then you haven't had time to process the target that you want.
Correct. Yeah.
And because you're working with such a fast time frame, it's moving so quick. It's like, oh Jesus, do I take profit right now?
I've gone through a couple of stages with footprint and order flow where first couple of days I had it, I was just taking multiple trades and multiple losses because you see every movement, every single buyer and seller, you think you're going to catch the move. So I've managed to sort of block out that noise. Now I'm dialing in the entries better, which is good. But yeah, it's the exits. I'm still like, because you are still seeing that, you're like, oh shit, there's a heavy buyer, get out, get out, get out. But then he's gonna get whacked. He's gonna so yeah. I'll get there.
It's a long. I still got to work on it too.
2.5 hours we've been here.
Oh my God, you're still in the trade.
I mean, where gold has been here for 2.5 hours.
Reminds me of NY session yesterday.
Yeah, it does, eh? Shit. What a brutal session. My God.
Yep.
I took so many trades.
At one point, I just freaking started watching TV. That's why you guys didn't hear me speak for a long time.
I know.
Okay.
I know. When you said, I'll be right back, guys, I was like, no, you won't.
Man. Well, I believed in the trade because it took out the highs.
I believed in the trade because I was at break even.
Oh, you never go back to your entry?
No, I never did.
Oh yeah, you said you got 300.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Man, my 120 was, man, that was a baby peep tick compared to yours.
That's why I couldn't bother trading it on the top step or whatever. It's like, nah, I gotta go in full size with my account.
Yeah. What are thoughts on gold 3060? Forex or futures? Wait, is gold at 36 Forex or 3060 yet?
Forex is 3046 right now.
Oh, okay. So he's talking about futures. So you want to sell at 3060? Is that what you're asking?
Ooh.
Mbappe? Man, that sounds so weird. What's your real name, man? I can't be calling you Mbappe.
So what happens when the real killing Mbappe comes to?
Now we won't even know. We can't tell. Okay, there we go. That wait from Ethiopia. If you're talking about futures and if you're talking about selling, honestly, man, I'm not interested in sales. I'm interested in buys, and I'm not interested in buying right now. I am expecting a pullback though. A pullback, then getting in the buy continuation. I'm your guest in your training session. Oh, let me post this journal in school.
Oh yeah, actually, Mbappe's English is perfect. By the way, I remember. His English is perfect. Got a bit of a French accent. Where's the sun today? Hi. Are you done with it?
I know, it's like coldest day of the week.
One day and it's had enough.
Yeah. Feel bad. The kids are meant to be going out for a picnic with their friends today, but it's like the worst day to go.
Oh, it looks like a storm is coming outside.
I'm gonna put it in the announcement tab.
Okay.
Gotta create it though. I can't move it around. Yep. I posted it in the announcement tab.
Yeah, thanks. I need to use a new term.
Welcome.
Goldie.
Really close, like
That's my
mad
sister.
close.
Man, she cool.
Okay.
Man, like I said, you know what I'm saying? Even with
What?
Man. That 1 hour closes in 18 minutes.
You know what? I've got a feeling that fee is going to have to be paid. You know? No, it already said it's waived. No, it can't be. Ignore that.
Did they respond yet?
No, I mean I sent the email. They haven't responded to that yet.
Yeah, I'm probably not gonna get that until later. Just wait.
Yeah. I'm in no rush. I'm not even going to trade it today. Anyway, I have to wait, I'm sure, for the contracts to be signed. Yeah.
This
I can
one,
wait.
your new funded, Dolly.
Sorry? Yeah, new
Take-
funded one with Take Profit Trader. So basically, did you hear me earlier? When I bought it, I used the code, which is supposed to say no, where you don't pay the activation fee, any
Yeah.
further activation fee. So I passed it, and then it's asking me for an administrative fee. So I'm wondering if they've worded it differently. But then I went onto the chat, the AI bot, and it says that it's waived. So, but when you try to proceed in the process, it actually asks you on your dashboard for the money before you can even sign the contract. So,
Oh, snap.
yeah.
Double bubble.
Oh, wait a minute. So when it asks you to pay,
Yeah.
is there a space for the promo code?
No. It goes straight from. So you go into your dashboard. You have test, and then once you've passed it, there's going to be a pro button, and you click on the pro button. You'll see your contract. You'll see your account. It says pending, and then let me see. Just talk to you while I'm doing it. Right, it says pro. They click on that, and then you'll see the account. It says, and then there's a go to pro button. You click on that, and from there it gives you straight the payment
Oh,
procedure. Yeah.
I was just wondering if it was gonna ask you for the promo code again.
Yeah. If it did, then, or maybe they're going to say to me, what I should do is put it in there. But it's two different amounts anyway. It's 130.
Yeah, they'll let you know.
You got to really keep an eye on the rules, because, as you say, there's the trading drawdown, and then there's the news rule. And I think the news, you're not allowed to trade with a certain time within the news.
Yeah, I think especially when you're trading the pro account.
Yes. And I'm just gonna have to write it big and stick it on my laptop, because sometimes I can just forget, but I'm gonna just make sure daily that I know what to keep an eye out for. So many traps to fall into. Goldie, Goldie, Goldie.
And this thing is ready to move. Is either going to be a freaking crazy bullish engulfing candle or bearish engulfing candle. London was so good last month. This month, it's not been good.
No.
Oh my God, it is horrible.
Man, you remember that day where gold, like, it stopped us out and then it went down like 1,000 pips and then came all the way back up in profit in the NY session.
Man,
Oh,
it was
man.
crazy.
Who remembers when I took Nasdaq 3 times and lost them all?
Oh man. And then
What a month.
and then the winning one, you didn't take the winning one.
And I didn't take the damn winning one.
Oh.
Yeah, at this point, I think I'm gonna just watch Nas. Logo.
Honestly, it's gonna be like a New York trade.
NQ.
Yeah, NQ and gold.
Yeah, probably right.
I think so too.
It's not. Really thought it was going to touch my area.
I'm planning on getting up at like 5:30 or so. So it's like 45 minutes from now.
Okay. Yeah, that's true. Kill the beat.
Or maybe stay a bit. Not every day Mbappe is on the chart. Yeah, we're gonna stay for Mbappe. Mbappe was staying because of you. If I know NQ well, it should give you, but then again, this is London session, but it should give another pullback before actually breaking this low. We'll see. See what happens. Well, please take over for me. I'm gonna go use the restroom, guys, and I'll be right back.
Yeah.
Don't fall from here, Goldie. Please don't fall from here.
Got 20 cells on gold this London session. Okay. Oh, damn. Morning, Ahmed. Didn't see your message. My bad. That was ages ago. My bad.
Racist.
What the fuck?
Ignoring people.
Trust me, I can say some pretty racist things if, like, I don't like somebody.
Oh man, don't.
Man, I got like 30 pips on a NAS cell like, I don't know, like 15 minutes ago, and now it's like dropped probably like
Oh,
80-ish.
nice. Oh man, now you know how I feel.
Yeah. It was just so choppy. I was like, you know what, just forget it. I'm just gonna close it. Fuck it.
Yeah. The POC for the day has moved up on gold as well, so I almost think it's going higher, even higher now if you want to short it.
Yeah, that's like with NAS and gold, they're both trading up here so much that like the POCs here, all the volumes up here, so all the pullbacks should be met by buyers.
Squeezing this little range. I mean, it's so annoying. It looks like tight, the range, but it's actually, what is it? 38. It's 120 pips. Like,
It's kind of weird.
Yeah, so weird. So weird.
Like, man, it does not look like a big range. It looks like a bunch of sideways candles, and it's like, man, it's enormous. When you said you caught 20 pips on the sell, it's like, what are you talking about, man? That candle barely moved.
I know, crazy. Before I knew it, it'd gone 90 pips down, and I was like, oh shit.
And it didn't even reach the bottom yet.
I know. Could have been done.
Yeah, gonna be a hard sell. I hate the fact that they look so obviously like a cell because it just means, it's even less likely to work because of retail.
Yeah, it's just it just looks awful at the moment.
Yeah.
What's Gideon saying?
Let's see. Gideon. Oh, he ended.
Oh, he ended it. Okay.
Oh, so that's why Edwin said, "Man, I gave up." His Gideon gave up. I see what's happening.
Oh man, poor Edwin. You can't.
I mean, I'm not lying. It's like if
Yeah,
Gideon
well,
says it, Edwin will say it. It's
Edwin
like US
repeats
500.
it.
And it's like, why are you not looking for buys, Abe? And it's like, because, well, Gideon's looking for buys. Okay.
Oh man.
Yep, Gideon's shadow. Mbappe says, who's your favorite player? Me. Okay. Unfortunately, I know nothing of football, so I got no favorite player. Also, I really hate one thing about football players is that they seem like the biggest pussies alive because they'll get bumped and then they'll roll on the floor like, oh my God, I've been so badly injured. Oh, dear Lord. It's like, what the fuck are you talking about? The dude barely touched you.
Yeah, hey, that's the worst thing about football, the play acting.
Yeah. Like, honestly, if someone did that to me, I'd run over there and then soccer kick him in the face just to make sure that he's truly injured.
Yeah, cry about this.
Yep.
Oh, I don't see how we get money set up.
Let's see. Oh man, gold right in the center of it, eh?
Yep.
Death. Pure death.
Beautiful.
Man, kind of funny. I have this like level marked out at 3070.0. It basically tagged it and, went past it by like 10 pips on the first move up, and ever since then it's, not been able to re-break it. It's like sometimes, man, these levels, you just fucking want to put like 100 lot sell order right there and just, yep. We roll 16 times to make sure the other opponent loses one player with a red card. Beautiful. Man, kind of makes me like hockey more. Is when they have issues, they just throw off their gloves and everyone watches them fucking duke it out. It's like, fuck it, everyone, it's turned into a boxing fight. Whatever.